Create a video for YouTube using exactly this script. Part 1. Fundamentals of Information Technology. Key concepts. Data, raw facts or figures, e.g., numbers, names, scores. Information, processed data that makes sense, e.g., a report, results slip. Example, data, 75, 80, 90. Information, the average score is 82%. Importance of IT in everyday life. Area, example of IT use, education. Smartboards, online learning. Business record keeping, communication. Health patient databases, X-rays. Entertainment music streaming, gaming transportation GPS, flight systems mini activity, spot the IT. Game students list 5 ways they use technology since they woke up this morning, e.g. alarm clock, YouTube, calculator app, etc. Discuss how each uses information technology to make life easier. Part 2. Computer system components. Definition. A computer system is made up of hardware, software, and peopleware working together to process data. 1. Hardware. All the physical parts of the computer that you can touch. Examples: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, speakers. Type function example: input enter data, keyboard, mouse output. Display results: monitor, printer storage, save data, hard drive, flash drive, processing convert data into information CPU. 2. Software. The set of instructions that tell the computer what to do. System software runs the computer, e.g. Windows, macOS, Android. Application. Software performs tasks, e.g. Microsoft Word, Canva, Chrome. 3. Peopleware. The users who operate and manage computer systems. Example: teachers, students, technicians, programmers. Activity. Name that part. Show or name each device, e.g. keyboard, CPU, monitor. Students must say if it's hardware, software, or peopleware. Part 3. Input, output, and storage devices. Input devices, used to enter data. Device, function, keyboard, typing text, mouse, pointing and clicking, scanner. Converts paper documents to digital form. Microphone, records sound, webcam, captures images and videos. Output devices, show or produce results. Device, function, monitor, displays information. Printer, produces hard copies. Speaker, outputs sound. Projector, displays large visuals. Storage devices, used to store data permanently or temporarily. Type, example: capacity, primary, RAM, ROM, temporary storage, secondary, hard drive, flash drive, CD, cloud, long-term storage. Activity, device detective, show 5 objects. Students classify each as input, output, or storage. Examples: keyboard, input, printer, output, flash drive, storage. Part 4. Software and operating systems. System software controls and manages computer hardware. Windows 10, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS manages memory and files. Controls input and output devices. Runs applications. Application software. Programs that help users perform specific tasks. Type, examples: word processing, MS Word, Google Docs, spreadsheets, Excel, Google Sheets, graphics, Canva, Photoshop, web browsers, Chrome, Firefox. Peopleware roles, role, function, programmer, writes code, system analyst, plans and designs systems, technician, repairs computers, user, operates software. What would happen if your computer had no operating system? Which software do you use most, and why? Part 5. Review and quiz. Recap questions. What is information technology? Name 3 components of a computer system. What is the difference between hardware and software? Give 2 examples of input and output devices. What is the function of an operating system? Quick quiz. Which part of the computer is known as the brain? What is the function of RAM? Name 1 example of system software. What is an example of secondary storage? Who is considered peopleware? Answers: 1. CPU. 2. Temporary memory. 3. Windows. 4. Flash drive. 5. The user, operator. Create a computer diagram and label the hardware parts. Research task. Find 3 careers in IT and describe what each person does. Practical lab. Identify and classify devices in the computer lab. Make the background music slow and energetic. Add word-by-word subtitles and use a female narrator voice.